Hey guys, Javi from PM Auto Works here, bringing you guys another video. Today's video, we got a 2021 Subaru STI with 8,000 miles, and we're gonna be installing Borla catback exhaust. So this is definitely one of my favorite exhausts on the Subarus. Super clean. So stay tuned and let's unbox this exhaust. Ah, no way, I caught dibs on this. Woo! Huh? It's a hat. We'll just tell the customer it never had it. I'm just kidding. Look at this. American power. By the way, I think this exhaust is made in the US. So, oh yeah, it is made in the US. Come on now. Y'all know that's quality. The instructions. Don't need that. This we do. That's interesting, Borla. Look at this. Look at this right here.
Yeah, that kind of looks like the...
So then this is the adapter for the stock downpipe. But then look at how dirty it is.
Ooh. Hey, this kind of looks like the 24 lemons exhaust in the back of the cars.
Oh, yeah.
Like on the Porsches.
Right here, Roy CLS with us today. No, that's cool. We're doing this vlogging video. Alright guys, so now that we have the exhaust on the floor, ready to go, we're gonna go ahead and do a before and after sound test on the exhaust. So for this, we have this app called Decibel Meter on the App Store. So pretty much it'll read how loud are the exhausts. So we'll just compare it from stock and then from aftermarket. It's probably not as accurate as a real one, but it'll do the job just fine. So let's go ahead and do the test, and then you guys be the judge. See what you like. But again, that's probably my favorite exhaust for the Subarus. It sounds super clean. Alright, let's go. That's it. Max around 3,000 RPM is 91.9 decibels. 5K? 5K. So it's actually super quiet. Look, even as I'm talking right now, I'm around 80 decibels. So let me show you what it sounds like when we have that exhaust installed. Alright guys, so now that we have the car in the air, we're gonna go ahead and remove the stock exhaust. Every time you guys use impact tool like this, you gotta use earmuffs protection. Ah, no way. Plan B. Didn't work.
What happened?
So there's like a dumb angle right here, and I can't get my socket in there. So I'm gonna use a different setup. It's gonna be this one and this one. this. Start doing our aftermarket exhaust. Here. Alright, so I know you're not supposed to do this. However, I always like to put a little bit of anti-seize right here. That way, whoever in the future has to take off the exhaust, it's a lot easier on them. Because then these ones, they get stuck. Because there's a bunch of... Damn! Look at that car over there. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Oh. So then, here we have the original Boxer. Yeah, it was. This is the car that initiated the Boxer motors right here. All metal. What is it? 1.6? 1.9. The very first Boxer I've ever made. So now we're going to install this section number 5. Just like that, slides in. We're not going to torque down anything just yet because we're going to be dealing with some fitment issues. You see what I'm talking about, guys? The disrespect. This guy just walked through our shooting set or whatever you want to call it and just ruined our video totally.
I blessed the video.
But
I blessed the video. You're welcome. Ask Tomas.
I'm speechless.
Ask Tomas if I blessed or messed up.
Alright, if you guys been to PM Auto Works, you all know Randy. And I bet you don't like him. To start with. That's the face that represents us every day. So I'm sorry about my friend over here.
Yes, sir.
You guys have to deal with him.
Next
time, I'll be in the office. It'll be a lot better. Just kidding. Just kidding. Randy is a alright individual. I wish he was a little more like me. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. What the hell? That's gross. He's talking on the phone while he's in the bathroom. Shake my damn hand. See how easy it slides in? It might fall out actually on me. So if it does, please don't laugh. Yes sir. Cool. Install it. And for this side. This would be left side. So still doesn't fit. Okay. Jesus Christ, that was really hard. I don't know why.
What's up, guys?
Here comes the guy that nobody likes. I don't like he's here. Sorry guys. You're interrupting our video, Ricky.
I was just complaining because the camera loves me.
What do you have to say to that?
I'm speechless. I'm going home, as a matter of fact.
How come you can't just say you love us?
Love who?
Us.
I'm not gonna lie to the public like that.
Damn.
I don't love these guys. I like them. They're alright. Especially that guy. He's alright.
I love this guy, but
I'm his favorite. Ricky,
he'll never say it though. We're both his uncles, by the way.
Yeah. Yeah, there. So, my aunt Ricky,
I'm a newly adopted Theo.
Actually, no. Me and Ricky got married.
Yeah, for those of you that didn't know, Randy and Ricky are partners.
I didn't even know that.
You know it's my dad.
For you. Oh man, that was funny. That's really funny. What's up? How can I help you guys? We're in the middle of a video.
They're just
Are you
audience.
gonna tell them we're joking about that?
We're spectating.
No, we're not joking about that. Y'all better, you know.
We're just here to admire your mechanical abilities.
There's nothing wrong. So, oh, that was a little too much. Right there.
Oh, they gave you anti-seizure?
Yeah. No, that's from yesterday. You know what I put this on? Tell me.
Mustang?
No. No, because then.
Oh, tell me.
Yeah. No, the grease. You know why I put it on this?
Doesn't get stuck.
Yes. See, Randy does know. Randy's not.
See, I'm not just the office guy.
Yeah.
A little bit mechanically inclined myself.
A little bit. I gotta give that to him. Starving. Alright, one more time. And
Oh, that was the easy one.
yeah, I don't know what. Wow. That's why you don't need stuff laying around. So and that's how you install exhaust.
Give it a little thumbs up.
We're gonna try to measure the loudness of the exhaust again. So before, if I remember, it was around 70 decibels when it was idling. Or you guys, you'll see it right now.
It's going up.
So we're actually reading around 88.9 is the max at idle, which is pretty loud. It was quieter before. You guys will see it in the video. RPM, right?
Enjoy.
Enjoy.